In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Toyota 4-pin reverse camera to aftermarket head unit. Firstly, you need to locate this 4-pin plug from these white adapters. Once you've found that, now see this photo and use these pins accordingly. You need this RCA adapter to connect this to new stereo. Now, from that 4-pin white plug, your top left wire is power wire. Top right wire is video from camera. Both bottom wires are ground wires. Connect it like this to make it work. This is demonstration only. You need connect it with wires coming from the camera. Don't remove this adapter and connect to yellow plug. If your vehicle is made before 2015, then you can connect this power to reverse power. Or if vehicle is 2016 or above, you need to use 33 ohms resistor. For reverse light power, you need to locate this 5-pin plug, where left first pin is reverse power. You need to connect this to camera power and stereo reverse input wire. If you have done this correctly, your camera should be working by now. This works with only factory cameras. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe for more informative videos.